Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Shelby Cobra 427. So you can see here. Let me try to put some more light on it. I'm hoping that you guys can able to see this clearly. Okay, so I don't remember for how much I bought this because when it comes to Johnny Lightning in India, we are not getting a fixed price. It is like it varies from seller to seller. So since I don't know the MRP of this cars, I can't able to say anything here. But maybe the range is somewhere between like 700 till 1500. So but whatever I'm going to showcase this week, I didn't pay 1500 for any of the casting. It is somewhere around like 800 or 900 thousand max, I think around that range. So let's open this. Anyway, I'm not going to save this particular box, I mean the blister. So let me just open it. That is fairly easy compared to me being actually using the knife and pushing here and there. Okay, I think I can put it back in this blister itself. Okay, the blister is actually yellowed out. I don't know what kind of material they are using. So if you guys want to see the back of the card, here is the back of the card. So I'm hoping this is a bit older card if I'm not wrong. It says 1999, alright, it's reserved by, but I don't know when this casting actually was released, this particular one which I'm holding. Okay, I don't want to waste any time thinking about it. Let me just put that aside. So here is the casting itself. So the casting looks good, and the black with the blue striping looks really nice. So the headlights are painted, and the grill details are actually, it is there, I mean it is embossed and painted on top of it. And it has tail light detailing as well, that is also painted. So I'm thinking that when it comes to Johnny Lightning, this particular card which I open now, this series supposed to be mainline if I'm not wrong. So I want someone from US or wherever this particular brand belongs to and who collects this. I want them to comment here how they actually do this, like like Hot Wheels or Majorette or Matchbox, like main lines, semi premiums, premiums, and then like other things. Okay, so here's the chassis. The chassis is having a good amount of detailing to it. Okay, it has exhaust detail as well on the sides. That looks really cool. And the rims looks really nice on this one. But one good thing about this particular casting is this has plastic wheels. It is not rubber wheels. So I think there is one other Johnny Lightning, if I'm not wrong, which I unboxed. It had rubber wheels, if I'm not wrong. I personally prefer plastic wheels because it is not going to melt over time. You can actually keep it as long as you want. So the interior looks really good. Even the windshield here, that looks really nice. So I recently bought this 1:, I think 43 scale. It's a Kinsmart of this exact car. I didn't remember that I ordered this. After I got this in my hand, then I came to know both are actually same car. So that also looks really nice. So I personally love this windshield. Sorry, rear view mirror here, true to the casting. Okay. Okay, there are few issues here. You can see the paint. I don't know if it is a issue. Okay, that is not an issue. The paint itself is like that, but there is some kind of scratching here. The paint job. Again, this is specific to mine. It won't be for everyone, so don't worry about it. Okay, this is a full metal casting, full metal body and full metal chassis. So with some plastic inserts like okay, let me see if this piece is plastic. Yeah, so the rear bumper is actually plastic and the interior is plastic. The windshield is plastic. The front bumper is actually metal. This piece, everything is metal. So that is really good. It doesn't even feel that heavy. So let's see how much this weighs. I really want to replace this cars here with this kind of cars. Let me see if I'm able to do that. 33 grams, it's okay. Not bad. Okay. Let's see if it rolls. It has plastic wheels, so I'm hoping that it will roll. That actually rolls okay. Even better than a lot of hot wheels nowadays. Does wheel wobble on both wheels and rear wheel wobbles a lot, but still it rolls. Okay, so let's rate the skin. I'm sorry, guys. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So it actually has all the detailing to it, and I'm not really nitpicking anything here or even complaining about anything here. It has all the detailing and it is a full metal casting. Everything is there, so I'm giving a 10 out of 10 from my end. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.